Hello, Volker.
Hello, Max.
Where are you from?
From Germany. From Germany.
From Germany?
Yes.
Are you first time here?
No, the sixth time.
Sixth time?
Yes.
How was your trip here?
Very nice.
Really?
Same time, yeah.
And how do you like from this country? What do you like from this country? They are good, they are not good, they are make a nice trip, or something happened with you here before? Tell us about this country and these places here, please.
All it's good. The water is good, the land is good, the people is good. Extra divers are very good.
Thank you for extra. And today, your day, how was it?
Very nice. We have seen many dolphins, some fish. It was good, very good.
And anytime you come here to this country, what do you find? Something you like it, make you come back again here?
It's the same procedure as every year. We like everything here.
Good. Also, anytime you are welcome here to this country. Anytime it's your place. It's your place, yeah, to make a trip, to make a holiday. You are welcome anytime. We hope to see you next time and next year.
Shukran.
So, do you want to send any message to anybody about this country? That's everything, it's okay, it's not okay? You can say it. Anything you have inside of you can tell us about, please.
I hope the people, they say the message, the land is very nice. It's not a land with too much terror. It's very, very nice. No problems here.
Hello, my friend.
Hi, my friend. My name is Rudi. I'm from Bavaria.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So tell us what's interesting to come here in this country, what you like it, how you enjoy it by this day, what you come for it here.
Well, Egypt is a wonderful country, sunshine most of the time.
Yeah.
The people are very hospitality and the food is very good.
You like the food here?
Yes.
Very good. Tell us about your day today, your trip.
We've been out with extra divers for diving, snorkeling, and
How was it?
nature is stunning.
So just tell us, please, if you want to send any message to anybody, because the people are here a lot about here that we have vegetarians or something like this.
No.
What's your message to say it?
No,
to people?
no, it's peaceful, and don't miss to go out on the Red Sea, see the reefs with all the fish and the nature. It's extraordinary beautiful.
Anytime you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
Hello,
Tell us what's your name, please.
Cecilia
Cecilia, where are you from?
from Bavaria.
Bavaria. You are
Yes.
welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome. So, we want to ask you about something, what you like from this country, what you're going to see, how you enjoy it today. You will make a nice trip. How is your trip in Egypt? Tell us, please.
I'm the first time here, and when I came, I feel I come home.
You are welcome.
Yeah.
Anytime.
I love the people here.
It's your home.
They are so kind, and I love the Red Sea
Thank you.
with all the nice fishes. And today I have had a fantastic trip. I swim with a lot of dolphins.
Very good. Wish you enjoyed your last holiday, your days, and we hope that you come back again to us, and we hope that you are really enjoy it. So please, if you want to send some message to anybody else about what's happening here, just say what you want to say, please.
Come to Egypt. It's a wonderful, beautiful land. All the Egypts are so kind, and I will come back, really.
Anytime you are welcome.
Yeah.
You are welcome. It's your day. It's your place. It's your country.
Yeah.
Anytime you are welcome here. And thank you a lot and have a nice day.
Thank you so much.
Sweet, sweet, sweet love. touch me. Well, sweet, sweet, sweet love, gonna touch me. Sweet, sweet, sweet love, gonna touch me. I fell in love once upon a time between Miami and New York. You brought me to life and then gave me more. So don't go breaking my heart. I got the key, the fire and the secret. You kept your distance from me. Nobody knows how my pain is flowing. Nobody says my heart. Gonna touch me. Sweet, sweet, sweet love, gonna touch me. Sweet, sweet, sweet love, gonna touch me. Sweet, sweet, sweet love, gonna touch me. Come now, gonna touch me. Come now, don't walk away.
Janine und komme aus Deutschland. Bin seit dem 9.1. hier und bin zum zweiten Mal wieder in Hurghada. Es ist sehr, sehr schön. Ich kann es nur empfehlen. Gerade für Tauchsportler oder für Schnorchler ist es sehr, sehr interessant, auch für die Kinder. Es macht großen Spaß und die Crew ist auch sehr professionell. Ja, also ich komme immer wieder hierher. Ich empfehle es auch für die Leute, die Angst haben, brauchen sie nicht. Das Land ist so sicher und auch die ganzen Security-Beamten, auch am Flughafen oder die mit in dem Hotel sind, die machen das so gut. Man braucht überhaupt keine Angst zu haben, wie Sie sehen. Ich komme gerade vom Tauchen. Und tolle Kultur, definitiv tolles Essen und auch tolle Verpflegung. Ich kann es nur weiterempfehlen. Wer nicht kommt, ist selber dran schuld und verpasst sehr, sehr viel Spaß.
Super, danke schön.
Gerne.
Wie war's heute?
Sehr schön.
Was hast du gesehen?
Delfine. Delfine.
Super, danke.
Gerne. Gerne.
So we would like to say good morning.
Good morning, Hamadan.
What's your name again?
My name is Robin.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
From Germany.
Yeah.
And it's your first visit to Egypt.
No, I was 7 times before here in Egypt, and this is 8th time.
8 times
Yeah.
now in Egypt.
Sure.
So
Well,
it's a good meeting.
sure. Egypt is a nice country, and you have to support a nice country.
That's why you come
Yeah, that's why I come 1 or 2 times a year.
every year. You come once
Yeah.
or twice.
Yes.
So you come just because of diving or because of?
Well, the Egyptian people are very nice. They are very friendly, kindly. And because of the diving, yeah.
Robin, how you feel right now in Egypt? You know the situation right
Well,
now in Egypt? Not
Sure,
just in Egypt.
you hear it everywhere, all over the world. You are not safe all over the world, but in Egypt you feel safe because of the people. The people make everything to feel you safe and to make you feel happy. So it is very nice.
So you support Egypt.
Yeah, well, of course.
Okay, so what you will transfer to the friends? What's your message? The message you will transfer to the colleague you know, to the friends you know,
Sure.
the people you know.
Well, I would transfer to the people outside that Egypt is a very nice country with a very nice culture, very nice people, so you have to visit it.
Okay.
There's no other way.
So, how was your day today?
Well, the day was very nice. We dived with dolphins today. We snorkeled with dolphins. It was very, very nice.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you too, Hamadan.
It was nice to meet you. Thank you.
Dankeschön.